When do I need to get an accountant? Brought to you by Boogle's Bookkeepers. Please do subscribe, like and share the channel if you find the information helpful. So at what point do I need an accountant? I'm always asked this question. So I would say in the very beginning, it may be worth having a chat, specifically just before you form your limited company. Don't go off and form a limited company just because you heard it was a good idea on the internet. Talk to someone, understand your situation. It might not be like other people's. And it could be just after you've become self-employed, after you've told HMRC that you're self-employed, after you've registered, may then just be worth having a chat with an accountant at the very beginning, the very start of the journey. The reason for that is that they may give you a plan as to how to keep your records and how they'd like you to give them your records. And then basically there's not much else really for the accountant to do at that point. Just pencil in a time when to come back to them, generally which would be the end of the first year of trading. So I'd just say, just for your own peace of mind, it's worth speaking to someone at the beginning when you start your business and just see what they say there and then come back to them in a year's time. The reason why I say at the beginning is just so that you start off on the right foot, because what you don't want is to be in a pickle and then, come to someone in a mess. Hopefully, at the very beginning, it will help you to just get things sorted out. Now, the question is, do I have to have an accountant? And the answer is no. No, you don't. You can file your accounts yourself, whether it's at HMRC or with Companies House. There is no minimum income level you need to have an accountant. There is no minimum qualification you need to file your own self-assessment. However, when it comes to limited company accounts filing it, I think it is useful to have a professional. But there are benefits of having an accountant. You may have complicated tax affairs, not everyone's straightforward. You may just need some financial advice, and that is worth the peace of mind. You can't get all your information off the internet. People's individual circumstances can be unique. Now, if you have an issue with the taxman, for example, inspection or any queries, any tax queries or something, always worth seeking professional advice at that point. You may have a capital gain. For example, you've sold an asset. An accountant will know the loopholes. But when I say loopholes, I just simply mean just the law, the regulations, which can possibly help you to save money, So making an appointment, paying a small fee is worth it for that peace of mind, And it helps. The benefit of an accountant is that they will know what you don't know, and you won't even know what you don't know and that you should know, because it's just you don't know. And the accountant is an advisory role, that's what they're there for, to help you with these sort of situations. So there is a benefit to having an accountant. So any other questions, please email admin@booglesltd.com. And if you like the content of the channel, please do subscribe, like and share. It's brought to you from Boogles.